Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. We're doing another Easter display today, and today we're going to be starting with these beautiful fresh eggs. These were from actually have not been dyed. The color you see is the color they were laid, and we're going to add them to our display today. As you can see, we're doing another Easter display. I'm using my egg cups, and my beautiful colored eggs are in the egg cups, and of course my beautiful egg-shaped plates. I was so happy how everything turned out. We're also going to be doing a lot of thrifting today from a thrifting haul that I did a day or so ago. And we're using the teapot and the carrots all around the bunny, and there is my egg dish and with my colored egg inside. Isn't it beautiful? I was so happy. Then we had our beautiful candlesticks, the bunnies holding up the cabbage. Aren't it cute? I thought this turned out so beautiful. What do you think? Give me a comment. What was your favorite thing you saw today? And as you know, we don't like to keep spending a ton of money, so we repurposed quite a few things from the previous tablescape, plus I borrowed a few things from my friend. I was really amazed at how beautiful those eggs looked and naturally colored by nature. And we put some of the colored eggs in this candy dish. Instead of being a candy dish, it was an egg dish. Wasn't it beautiful? All the different colors and shades. And of course, my beautiful flower arrangement. You know how Grandma is. I love to repurpose and reuse as much as possible. The same thing with my 3-tiered tray. I did bring one of my little rabbits out and shared her with you. But most everything is the same as it was earlier in my previous post. Like I said, I like to repurpose as much as possible to help on cost. But I want to share with you, you can reuse and repurpose a lot and make it always look different and nice. Save the money while you can. Prices keep going up and we need to be cost effective. I'm glad you enjoyed what you're seeing today, and of course my beautiful tree in the back. I was so happy to get this done. I can't wait to do this again next year and see what I can come up with different, and nature is so wonderful. You don't even have to really worry too much. As long as you're really paying attention, you can find so many beautiful things out in nature to use that cost you no money at all. But it does give a great dramatic look to the video, does it not? Well, let me know what you thought was your favorite. Don't forget I have my Mackenzie bees, my beautiful lace napkins with the cutouts, and of course my beautiful cutout table runner. Oh, I was so happy. And of course, those beautiful natural shade of grass for my placemats. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. Oh, yes, and there's my cute bunny that I got from Annalie. I love using her, and she's been on quite a few posts in the past. Doesn't the garden look beautiful? I couldn't believe how beautiful everything looked, and most of it was nature, without my help at all. Just so beautiful. I was so happy everything turned out so well. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Now here is my new silver tray I got at the thrift store, and it's the bunnies running through the spinach patch. Isn't it beautiful? I loved it. That's one of my favorite new things that I bought. I'll probably be using it from now on every spring and Easter. It is so beautiful, and I love my bunny candlesticks too. I was amazed at how pretty everything looked. How about you? Were you surprised also to see a garden video actually in the garden? I like to do garden videos. You're going to probably start seeing a lot more garden videos in the future. I think it really added a lot to the video using a real garden, showing how beautiful it can be with just a little effort. This is probably one of my favorite ones I've done so far this year. Let me know what you think if you've watched my tablescapes at all. And this is just tablescapes for two. You know how Grandma is. We only do tablescapes for two. But even though it's for two, it can be beautiful and so well done. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Of course, we had our Mackenzie child bee and butterfly in the centerpiece. You could always add a few little high-end pieces to something inexpensive and have it look beautiful. That's what I always think. What do you think? How do you plan to do your tablescapes in the garden? Let me know. And do you like seeing garden tablescapes? Like I said, we're going to try to get a lot more done. I'm going to try to plant a lot more flowers in my garden this year for the backdrop for some more garden videos. I've done them in the past, like I've said before, and just want to show how you can move things around a little and have everything look so different. Just a little bit here and a little bit there, changing things around, and you didn't have to spend any money. That's the most important thing in life, learning how to do it on a budget but still have it look fabulous. And of course, my magical spoons, as you can see, are out too for a magical time in the garden. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Please, if you're not already following, think about joining the family. Please understand that we try to do as many repurposing videos that we can to keep our costs down because we still spend a lot of money. And let me know what you thought about this beautiful plant. Wasn't it beautiful? The blooms, and this is all real, nothing artificial. Nature is so beautiful, don't you think? So leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about our display today. And if you liked the 3-tier tray that we shared and the way we repurposed everything to make it look different but very similar. And of course, how you like watching garden videos and if you think it added a lot to the display like I did. I am really going to try this spring to do a lot more of these type of videos for you to enjoy. Just got to get busy on that garden and get something pretty to look at. And hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Take care of yourself, my dear friends. Until the next video. You know we put something up every day.